Okay, 今何時ですか? What time is it now? So let's read. So 1 o'clock is 1時。1時。2 o'clock 2時。3 o'clock 3時。4 o'clock 4時。Yeah, you might know number 4 has two names, yon and shi, but when we say 4 o'clock, 4時. Okay, a bit shorter version, so I make it highlighted. 5 o'clock, 5時. 6 o'clock, 6時. 7 o'clock, 7時. Yes, number 7 has two names, shichi and nana. But when we say 7 o'clock, 7時. Okay. 8 o'clock, 8時. 9 o'clock, 9時. 10 o'clock, 10時. 11 o'clock, 11時. And 12 o'clock, 12時. 12時. Oh, by the way, 9 o'clock, 9時. Number 9 has two names, Q and Ku. But when we say 9 o'clock, 9時. Okay? Not 9時, alright? 9時. And there are 12 o'clock. And then if you want to say AM or PM, AM is 午前 and PM is gogo. And please remember, in Japanese time expression, bigger category comes first. So in English, maybe you say 8 a.m. Yeah, but if you think about, okay, 8 o'clock and then AM, PM, which is bigger category? AM, PM, yeah? So AM comes first in Japanese word order, okay? AM is 午前, so 午前. And then 8 o'clock comes the next, okay? 8時. 午前8時, right? And 3 p.m. is the same, yeah? AM, PM, bigger category comes first. So PM comes first, gogo. And then 3 o'clock, 3時. Alright? 午後3時. 今何時ですか? Which? No. What time is it now? Yes. 今何時ですか?